Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make a card deck box. First, gather your materials. You'll need a sturdy piece of cardstock, a pair of sharp scissors, and some reliable glue or double-sided tape. Next, measure your card deck carefully to ensure your box will be the perfect size. Finally, find a printable template online or sketch your own design onto the cardstock, ready for the next step. Now that you have your template, it's time to cut and fold. Carefully cut along the outer lines of your template. Precision here is key for a neat box. Once cut, gently score all the designated fold lines. This helps create really crisp, clean folds. Then, fold the cardstock along these scored lines, starting to bring your flat paper into a three-dimensional box structure. With your box folded, it's time for assembly. Apply a thin, even layer of glue to each of the tabs you've created. Avoid using too much glue, as it can make the paper soggy. Carefully press these glued tabs firmly against the corresponding sides of the box, holding them in place for a few seconds. Finally, allow the adhesive ample time to dry completely, ensuring a strong and durable hold. Your card deck box is almost complete. For extra durability, you can reinforce any edges with a little more glue, especially if it will see a lot of use. Now for the fun part, customizing. Decorate your new box with markers, paint, stickers, or anything else that expresses your style. Make it truly unique. And remember, for great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, find the link in the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.